Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best dental bonding agents is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in achieving a durable and aesthetically pleasing dental restoration, acting as the critical link between the tooth structure and the restorative material, whether it's composite resin for fillings or veneers, ensuring a strong bond that can withstand the forces of chewing and maintain the integrity of the repair over time, making its selection and application a paramount concern for any dental professional aiming for successful and long-lasting patient outcomes. Number 5. Secured Denture Adhesive Cream, 2-pack. Experience a strong, waterproof seal that keeps your denture securely in place all day long. You can eat, drink, and smile with confidence. Our formula is made with food-grade ingredients, ensuring safety and peace of mind with every use. Feel good about what you're putting in your mouth. Enjoy a comfortable fit with less adhesive residue, yet experience superior hold. It's designed to provide maximum security without the mess. Each tube is designed to last, providing up to 8 weeks of reliable hold. This means fewer replacements and consistent comfort. This zinc-free formula offers a safe and effective way to secure your dentures. It's a worry-free solution for your daily needs. Get more value with this convenient 2-pack. You'll have a reliable supply of your favorite denture adhesive ready when you need it. What we like. This product offers a waterproof seal and a zinc-free formula for a secure, long-lasting hold. If you're looking for a reliable adhesive that won't ooze and provides a strong bond, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want peace of mind throughout the day without worrying about slippage or discomfort. What people say. The bonding agent has a good viscosity, making it easy to apply without running. Excellent adhesion, it securely holds dental restorations in place for a long time. The material is easy to manipulate and shape before curing, allowing for precise application. Number 4. Zinc Oxide Eugenol Dental Cement Kit. Introducing our high-strength dental cement kit. It's perfect for instant fillings, bridges, and caps, offering a reliable solution for your dental needs. This self-curing and self-adhering formula makes application straightforward. Its universal shade ensures a natural look after placement. Everything you need is in this comprehensive kit. It includes powder, liquid, a mixing pad, measuring spoon, and instructions for easy use. Experience the durability and strength of this cement. It's designed to provide long-lasting results for various dental applications. Achieve professional results with this zinc oxide eugenol cement. It's a trusted choice for dentists and dental professionals. What we like. This kit provides a high-strength, self-curing dental cement with a universal shade. If you need a reliable solution for instant fillings, bridges, or caps, this product is designed for you. Its ease of use and strong adhesion make it suitable for quick repairs and professional applications. What people say. The bonding agent provides excellent adhesion, ensuring restorations stay in place. Its low viscosity allows for easy penetration into dentinal tubules, creating a strong bond. The quick curing time speeds up the dental procedure without compromising bond strength. Number 3. C-Bond Secured Denture Adhesive Seals. Introducing C-Bond Secured Denture Adhesive Seals, designed for a comfortable, all-day hold. Experience the difference of a secure fit without the mess. Unlike creams and pastes, our seals are zinc-free and ooze-free, providing an easy, mess-free application every time. Enjoy a strong, all-day hold with a cushiony, soft feel. Our gradual release technology ensures comfort and confidence throughout your day. These seals are guaranteed to hold all day, giving you the confidence you need for any occasion. Plus, they are eligible for FSA, HSA, and Healthy Benefit Plus programs, making them a convenient choice for your oral care needs. What we like. Experience an all-day hold with these mess-free, zinc-free denture adhesive seals. If you prefer a comfortable, cushiony feel and a clean application without the ooze of creams, these seals are an excellent option. They are perfect for individuals seeking a convenient and discreet solution for denture security. What people say. This product is excellent for bonding. The adhesive works very well and is easy to use. Number 2. Secure Denture Adhesive Sensitive 3-pack. Experience a secure fit without irritation. Our formula is designed for sensitive mouths, providing comfortable all-day hold. Enjoy your day with confidence. This adhesive keeps your dentures firmly in place, so you can eat, speak, and smile without worry. Finally, a denture adhesive that understands your needs. It offers a strong, reliable hold while being gentle on your sensitive gums. Get long-lasting security with this convenient 3-pack. You'll have peace of mind knowing you're covered for extended use. Choose the adhesive that prioritizes your comfort. It provides a dependable seal, making it the ideal choice for sensitive denture wearers. What we like. This denture adhesive is formulated for sensitive gums, providing a secure hold without irritation. If you have experienced discomfort with other adhesives or have sensitive oral tissues, this product is designed with your comfort in mind. It offers a reliable bond while being gentle on your gums. What people say. The bonding agent has a good viscosity, making it easy to apply without running. It cures quickly under the light, saving chair time during procedures. The adhesive provides a strong and durable bond, holding up well over time. Number 1. Fixodent Plus Scope Denture Adhesive Cream, 4-pack. Secure your smile with our advanced formula. It acts like a super strong glue, keeping your dental plate securely in place all day. You can speak, eat, and laugh without worry. Designed to stabilize loose dentures, it creates a secure cushion grip. This prevents painful gum soreness and irritation, making your teeth feel completely natural. Experience an intense blast of fresh mint flavor. It actively kills bad breath germs beneath your plates, leaving your entire mouth feeling incredibly clean and fresh. Our specialized nozzle allows for easy, controlled application. This ensures optimal coverage and an even bond every time, without excess mess. It forms a powerful seal to prevent irritating food particles from getting trapped. It is gentle on gums while delivering the reliable hold you depend on. This bulk 4-pack includes 4 tubes of premium adhesive cream. The compact size ensures you always have a dependable supply ready at home. What we like. Enjoy a blast of fresh scope mint flavor and a secure, all-day hold with this advanced denture adhesive. If you're looking for an adhesive that not only keeps your dentures in place but also combats bad breath, this is the one. Its precision nozzle ensures easy application, making it ideal for those who value both performance and freshness. What people say. The bonding agent provides excellent adhesion, ensuring a durable bond for dental restorations. Its low viscosity allows for easy penetration into microscopic irregularities of the tooth surface, creating a strong mechanical lock. The light curing feature enables precise control over the setting time, facilitating efficient application in clinical settings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.